Okay, sir.
Lines and angles. Okay. So we have first of all lines and angles. Akmal, starting with the lines, I'll tell you the basic concepts. Lines. Akmal, what is a line? Line is a collection of points. Very simple collection of points. This I have also taught you in Euclid's chapter. That is, if I join various points, dot, very close, infinite points, they make a line, right? They make a line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, a line can be extended, as you know, a line can be extended. Like a line has both the arrows on its side. Well, this means that this line I can, let's say this is line AB, so I can extend it. Okay, I can extend it here. I can extend it even here. The arrows represent this. Okay, Akmal, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akmal, second thing is we got to talk about is a line segment. Line segment. Akmal, line segment is when I have a part of a line, means this is not infinite. A line is infinite. I can extend it to infinity. A line segment is limited. Let's say AB. So we don't have arrows. So like this can't be extended. Is the line segment clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next we have is a ray. Actually, this is all very easy. Ray, and you would understand it. Ray. Actual ray is when we have a line extended only from one side. So only arrow here. So it is stopped here, but arrow on one side. So only extended from one side. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Now moving on to the main parts. The first is there is something that is known as an intersecting lines. This is important. There is something that is known as intersecting lines. What is it? What does intersecting line means? But yeah, everything na, is in the word. Inter means between two, and secting means to cut. Okay, I say na bisect, trisect. Whereas similarly, intersect. What does intersect means? To cut each other. To cut each other. When two or more lines, two or more lines cut each other or touch each other, cut or touch each other, cut slash touch each other. They are known as intersecting lines when two or more lines cut or touch each other. Okay, like if I have a pair of lines like this, well, very simple. We can see that these two lines are cutting each other at a point. Let's name this point as O. So these are intersecting lines. Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, Akmal, these are also intersecting lines. This. Okay, these are also intersecting lines. Okay, even these are also intersecting lines because there are two lines and these two lines are they are touching each other at a point. Okay, that and I told you lines can be extended. So eventually we can extend them, right? So
Yes,
even
sir.
if they are touching like this or cutting, they are known as intersecting lines. I hope intersecting lines is totally clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Akmal, in a intersecting lines only, we have a pair of lines that is known as perpendicular lines. I think I've also taught you this before. I'll tell you again. Akmal, do you remember this perpendicular lines? If you do,
Perpendicular lines means uh, like two lines are equal each other.
not exactly equal. They cut at 90 degrees. Okay, Akmal?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Two lines. Yeah, remember now? Remember I taught you
Yes, sir.
two lines which cut each other at 90 degrees. Two lines which cut each other at 90 degrees. Cut or touch each other. Cut or touch each other at 90 degrees. Let's say I have these two lines. Okay. They are cutting each other at 90 degrees, so they are perpendicular. I have this, but see, these are perpendicular lines. I have this, these two are perpendicular lines. Okay, I have, let's say, this 90 degree perpendicular. I have this 90 degree, so they are perpendicular. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Akmal? Okay. Akmal, write this much, Basu. Then we'll move on.
Done, sir.
Okay, Akmal, now write this. Also draw the lines, they are important.
Done, sir.
Okay, Akmal. Now, moving on to the second type of lines, that is a that are parallel lines. Lines can be either intersecting or they can be parallel. I'll tell you how. Parallel lines. Okay. About parallel lines are when two lines, when two lines have equal distance between them at every point, have equal distance between them at every point, they never meet. They never meet. They never meet. So let's say I have the lines this and this. They are like they are like just in front of each other, right? Exactly like mirror images. Even if I extend these lines, no? Even if I extend these lines as much as I want, the distance between them is going to remain same. They are going to go straight. They are never going to meet. This is parallel lines. Clear, Akmal? What are parallel lines?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you say, sir, these lines are not intersecting. They are not parallel. What do we call them? Bache, these are actually intersecting lines. How? Because I told you lines cannot be intersected. I'm not showing the arrows, but I told you this is a line. So lines could be intersected. Oh, sorry, lines could be extended. So if I extend these lines, they are gonna meet eventually at a point, right? Eventually, they are gonna meet at a point. This is what they are saying. Okay, that these are intersecting lines. Therefore, only there are lines can either be intersecting, like they would cross each other, or they can be parallel. Okay, nothing else. Clear, Akmal?
Yes, sir.
So these are also intersecting lines. Intersecting. Akmal, write this down.
Done, sir.
Okay, Akmal. Now, Akmal, coming to angles. This is the better important part. Angles. Now, first, let's talk about the angles which can be made by intersecting lines. Okay, angles which can be made by intersecting lines. So the first type of angles that we are going to discuss is vertically opposite angles. What is the vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles are, let's say I have a pair of intersecting lines. I have these two intersecting lines. So this angle and this angle. If I name this as angle one, this is angle two. Okay. So angle one and angle two are vertically opposite angles. Angles. Akmal, VOA means vertically opposite angles. You write the full form. I'm writing in short form. Every time you write it the full form. Don't write VOA. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And angle 3 and angle 4, these are also vertically opposite angles. Angle 3 and angle 4 are also vertically. opposite angles. Is this clear? First of all, what are vertically opposite angles?
Yes, sir.
Now, Akmal, very important thing. Vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Means angle 1 means that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how are these actually used? This, let's say I have intersecting lines. If this angle is 60 degree, so I can clearly say that this angle is also 60 degrees. Okay, because vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is 60, this would also be 60. This is how they are used. If one angle is given, we can find the other. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If this angle is given, this is 120 degrees, so this also would be 120 degrees. Clear, Akmal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Akmal, write this. Then I'll tell you the next angles.
Done, sir.
Okay, Akmal. Akmal, the second type of angles which we are gonna discuss is a linear pair. It is a linear pair. Everything is in the word only. The previous angles were vertically opposite angles. If you can see, they are opposite to each other and vertical. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Now, in the second is linear pair. It is also hidden in the word. First of all, linear means straight. So it is always on a straight line. So make a straight line. And pair means two angles. So let's say I have another line on this. Okay. Now, Akmal, we know that the angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees, right? Angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. This is what we call a straight line angle. Okay. So now, bache, this means that if I have a straight line and a line on it, like this or whatever way, so if I have two angles, this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2, first of all, angle 1 and angle 2 are angle 1 and angle 2 make a linear pair because linear means straight line and pair because two angles make a linear pair and linear pairs sum up to 180 degrees means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. The reason is Straight line angle is 180. So eventually their sum is 180. Got it, Akmal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how it is used? It is used like in the questionnaire, they'll give you something like this. They'll give you this angle, let's say 110 degrees. You have to find this angle. Okay. So we know that 110 plus, let's say this angle is x. So 110 plus x is equal to
180 minus
180. Exactly. This is 180 minus 110. X is equal to 70 degrees. This is how you find the other angle. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, uh, Akmal, find this angle y. Okay.
Okay, sir. Can you scroll up to write that?
Yeah. First, we can write that. Then we can. Okay. Right.
Sir, 125 degree.
Very good. Very good, Akmal. Okay. Written this also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Akmal, moving on to the third type, that is now coming to the three angles, the three type of angles that are made by parallel lines. Okay. So first, let's talk about yeah, co-interior angles. So we'll take a pair of a parallel lines. Okay. These parallel lines are, let's say this is line L, this is line M. Okay, let's say there is a line cutting these parallel lines. Let's say this. Okay. Now this line is known as the, is represented by T. T is the transversal, and it is the line cutting a pair of parallel lines. Line cutting a pair of parallel lines. Okay. So first of all, this is known as the transversal.
Yes, sir.
Now, Akmal, what are co-interior angles? It's in the word only. Akmal, co means on the same side. So on the same side of the transversal. So either both the angles will be on the left or both the angles would be on the right. First of all, you need to make the understand. Everything is written in the name of the angle. Co-interior. Co-interior means co. Co means on the same side. So either on the right side of the transversal or on the left side. So either the angle can be here, okay, or the angle can be here. But both the angles would be on the same side. We know this, okay. So both the angles would be on either this side or on the left side. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, interior. Interior means between the parallel lines. So the angles is between the parallel lines. So we know that between the parallel lines, angles are there definitely. Okay. And either they are on the right or both the angles are on the left. Okay. This is how the word says. Now let's see what is the co-interior angle. We have, let's say I'll take on this side. So let's say this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So of course these are co-interior angles. Why? First of all, they are both on the same side of the transversal, that is on the right, and they are in the interior, means between the two parallel lines. So what do we call them? Co-interior angles. So angle 1 and angle 2 are co-interior angles. Okay, clear, Akmal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now co-interior angles sum up to 180 degrees. Co-interior angles sum up to 180 degrees means angle 1 plus angle 2 is going to be equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is going to be equal to 180 degrees. Is this clear, Akmal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So angle 1 and angle 2 are sum up to 180 degrees. Now, which angle 3 and angle 4 are also, if I take this, so angle 3 I'll take here, angle 4 I'll take here. So angle 3 and angle 4 are also co-interior angles. Okay. So you need to make yourself clear this thing that angle 3 and angle 4 are also co-interior. Angle 3 is angle 3 and angle 4 are also co-interior. Okay. So they are also 180 degrees. There's some here. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equals 180 degrees. Okay. Akmal, write this down.
Done, sir.
Okay, Akmal. So Akmal, tell me that if this angle is, uh, let's say that this angle is 75 degrees, Akmal, you need to find x and you need to find y. These are parallel lines L and M. This is the transversal T. Can you try this question, Akmal?
Both are 75. X and Y.
Both are x and
No,
y
no,
both are
no, no, no,
75.
no, no, no,
Are
no.
you sure?
X, X is 75. Y
Okay. And what about y?
180 minus 75.
What?
180 minus 75.
That is y.
Yeah.
Yeah, y is correct. 180 minus 75. That is
X is 75.
105 degrees. But say, why would x be 75? Are co-interior angles equal or are they their sum is 180? So x would also be 180 minus 75, right? Because their sum is
Yes,
180,
sir.
na? X plus 75 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 75. That is 105. Got it, Akmal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so x would also be 180 minus 75. Akmal, don't forget, co-interior angles are not equal, but I'm repeating again. Abhi, I'll be telling you two more angles, na? Then you might get confused more. Okay, always remember, co-interior angles are not equal. They add up to 180 degrees. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akmal. Now the next type of angle which we are going to discuss is alternate interior angles. Again, everything is in the word. Alternate interior angles. L, M, transversal T. Akmal, everything is in the word. Interior, I told you, interior means between the parallel lines. So we know that both the angles are going to be between the parallel lines. And alternate means alternate, matlab, one angle on the one side of the transversal, another angle on the other side of the transversal. So this means that, let's say if I take this angle as angle 1 and this angle as angle 2, now they are alternate interior angles, angle 1 and angle 2.
They both are equal.
Yes, exactly. Excellent, excellent, Akmal. Because you saw here, these were alternate interior angles, so they are equal. Got it?
Yeah.
Angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior. Very good, Akmal, actually. Are alternate interior angles. Alter, alternate, I'm writing the short form, interior angles. You write full. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay? The alternate interior angles are equal to each other. Akmal, even these are alternate interior angles. This, that is angle 3 and let's say angle 4. So angle 3 and angle 4 and angle 4 are also alternate interior angles. They are also equal. Clear, Akmal?
Yes, sir.
Akmal, write this down.
Done, sir.
Okay, Akmal. The last type of angles which we are going to discuss is corresponding angles. Okay, co corresponding angles. Okay, again take a pair of parallel lines. Okay, and they are cut via transversal. This is L, this is M, this is P. Akmal, corresponding is itself in the word again. If I take the parallel line M and the angle is here, so exactly same mirror image of this on the upper lines here. Okay, exactly same mirror image. Can you see they are exactly same? Exactly like this angle would have you like we just picked up angle one and put it at the place of angle two, right? Exactly same. This angle
Yes, sir.
on line M corresponds to the angle on line M L. But they are known as corresponding angles. Angle one and angle two are corresponding angles. Angle one and angle two are corresponding angles, and they are equal to each other. Angle one is equal to angle two. Okay, Akbar? They are equal to each other.
Yes, sir.
So now, Akbar, even these are corresponding angles. Angle three and angle four, they are also corresponding. Even this angle, angle five, angle six are also corresponding. Angle seven and angle eight are also corresponding. Angle seven and angle eight are also corresponding. Can you see how many corresponding pairs? Angle one is equal to angle two and angle three and angle four. Other
Four,
pairs are angle three, angle four, angle five, angle six,
four, sir.
angle seven, angle eight. Akmal, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akmal, don't write one. Only just just don't confuse in this. Draw it very neatly so that after you're revising, you don't get confused. Okay, Akmal, write this down.
Dance are.
Okay, Akmal. Now coming to the question. All these everything I've taught you this. All these the axioms were given. I've taught you all the axioms just by not by the names. Okay. Akmal, in this figure, lines PQ and RS intersect each other at point O. If angle POR, if angle, if angle POR and angle ROQ is this one, right? Yeah, ROQ. Angle ROQ, their ratio is 5:7. Find all the angles. Can you try this question, Akmal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try it on.
Sir, why they give 5 and 7?
Yes, Akmal.
Why they gave 5 and 7?
Okay, I'll tell you. Akmal, they are saying that the ratio of POR, angle POR, by angle ROQ is 5/7. Basically, the ratio is 5:7. Okay. So this means that angle POR is a multiple of 5 and angle ROQ is a multiple of 7. So I can write that angle POR is equal to 5x. Okay, and I will take angle ROQ is equal to 7x. Okay, Akmal? Because it is a multiple of 5. If x is 1, it is 5. If x is 2, it is 5 into 2, that is 10. If x is 3, it is 5 into 2, that is 15. But we know that it is a multiple of 5. Okay, Akmal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we know angle POR is equal to 5x. This is 5x. This is 7x. Akmal, they are on a straight line, so their sum would be 180. So 5x plus 7x would be 180 degrees. So this is 5 plus 7 is 12. So 12x is equal to 180. So x is therefore equal to 180 by 12. Okay, that is 4, that is 6 2s are 12, 6 30s are, so that is 15 degrees. Okay, Akmal, x is coming as 15. If x is 15, then 5x would be 5 into 15, that is 75 degrees. And 7x would be 7 into 15. Okay, that is 105 degrees. So, but this is 75 degrees and this is 105 degrees. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, Akmal, they are asking find all the angles. So, see, Akmal, you have to write down everything. Here also, na, when while you are solving the question, write like while you use this concept of linear pair, that is there sum is 180, write linear pair in the bracket. This is very important. You have to write in every question the reason. Now, I can say that angle POS is equal to angle ROQ because vertically opposite angles. So I'm going to write angle POS is equal to angle ROQ and angle ROQ is equal to how much? 105 degrees. So this is equal to 105 degrees. Okay. And similarly, angle SOQ is equal to angle POR. Angle SOQ is equal to angle POR, that is equal to 75 degrees. The reason for both of them is vertically opposite angles. Clear, Akmal? How do we do these type of questions?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Totally clear? Do you want me to repeat it once?
Can you repeat one more?
Sure, sure, sure. Akmal, first to understand this ratio concept. But say if let's say if the angle was 25, if the angle POR was 25, and let's say this angle was 35. Okay. So if you take the ratio now, of course taking the ratios we will simplify them. So this was 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 35. So the ratio is coming 5 by 7. But Akmal, the angles we know they are but not 5 or 7. Okay, so that is why we took 5x and 7x. Means this is a multiple of 5 and this is a multiple of 7. First, is this concept clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, well, we know that this angle is 5x, this is 7x. So we know their sum is 180. That is the reason is linear pair as we rotate. Okay, linear pair. Okay, now 5x plus 7x is 12x. So 12x is equal to 180. So from here, we are getting x is equal to 15 degrees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because if you are confused how x is 15, but we will take the 12 on the down. So 180 by 12, 180 by 12 is 15. Now, well, x is 15, so we can find 5x. 5x means 5 into 15, that is 75 degrees. 7x means 7 into 15, that is 105 degrees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, well, if I look at this again, this is like this. RS, PQ. Well, this angle we know is 75. So how much would this angle be?
75.
75. Very simple. Same I did here. If this is 75, I wrote angle SOQ, that was this one, SOQ, is equal to angle POR, that are both is equal to 75. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Similarly, but if we know this angle, this is 105. So if this is 105, this would also be 105. Clear now? How did we do it?
Vertical. Yes, sir.
Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Akmal, note this. Okay, note it properly. Like, don't get confused because it's a very hodgepodge here and there. So try
Yes,
to note
sir.
it systematically. Draw the figure also. And Akmal, this is a geometric chapter. In exam, if the question comes, if the figure is given in the exam or the figure is not given in the exam, in both the cases, Akmal, I am repeating again, in both the cases, draw the figure in your answer sheet. Okay, that is very important.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, Akmal. So we'll continue this in the next class. Okay, and keep
Yes, sir.
practicing questions because your exam is on Sunday.
Yes, sir.